Hi friends, I'm Kaylin, a nutrition educator from CalFresh Healthy Living for the University of California Cooperative Extension, and welcome back to Harvest of the Month. This month we'll be learning about cauliflower. Cauliflower is a cole crop in the cabbage family, along with broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, kohlrabi, and cabbage. The Spanish name for cauliflower is cauliflower. The name cauliflower actually means cabbage flower. This is because cauliflower is actually a flower that hasn't fully developed yet. How cool! Did you know that cauliflower leaves protect the cauliflower from the sun? When white cauliflower is exposed to sunlight when it's growing, it can turn green. The most commonly used cauliflower in the US is the large white type. However, there are also green, yellow, and purple varieties. Each variety of cauliflower has additional health benefits and tastes. White cauliflower is the most common in supermarkets and has a creamy white curd with a mild flavor. Orange or yellow cauliflower have high amounts of beta-carotene, also known as vitamin A, than any other color. This type of cauliflower has a mild, slightly sweet taste. Purple cauliflower turns a blue-green color when cooked. It has a very mild and light nutty flavor. Green cauliflower is a cross between broccoli and cauliflower. Some varieties have an interesting shape, like this one. When eaten raw, it tastes more like a cauliflower, but when it's cooked, it tastes more like a broccoli. How cool is that? Cauliflower is thought to have originated near what is now known as Turkey, and then spread east to India and west to Italy. A half cup of cauliflower, or about 1 cupped handful, is a great source of vitamin C. Cauliflower is what is known as a champion source of vitamin C. And if we remember, vitamin C helps your body heal cuts and wounds. It also helps your body absorb more iron found in your food. Cauliflower is a cool season crop. They grow great in both the spring and fall-winter cool seasons. Cauliflower grows great with companion plants like potatoes, celery, dill, beets, onions, and lavender. Wow, just talking about cauliflower is making me hungry. Check out this link below for the baked cauliflower tots recipe from foodheroes.org. What's your favorite cauliflower recipe? Fresh cauliflower is usually available year-round, and it's often cheaper and fresher when harvested locally, typically in the late summer or fall. Check out your local farmer's market to see if anyone's selling cauliflower. Here's an exclusive shopping tip. Avoid cauliflower heads with brown spots or loose sections of curds that are spread out. Choose cauliflower with tight curds, and frozen cauliflower is also available and may be a better buy at some times of the year. Good luck! Cauliflower is delicious and easy to cook with. Remember, the Spanish name for cauliflower is cauliflower. Thank you for joining us on the Spotlight of Cauliflower as our Harvest of the Month. How will you enjoy cauliflower this month? See if you can find cauliflower in your school cafeteria, at the grocery store, or in the garden. Thanks for watching. See you next month!